Hello and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. I'm James Currie with the Communication Department. I'm talking to Shakari Beechem. She is the program coordinator for the Wisewoman program here at MCHD. How are you?
I'm good, James. How are you?
I'm great, as they say in the business, never better. So you have such success with the Wisewoman program. I mean, you're recognized throughout the state of Alabama. Other districts in our area are copying your program. I guess that's the serious form of flattery, right? Is copying someone.
Yes.
But tell me a little bit about the Wisewoman program.
So Wisewoman is an amazing program that started, I think, in 2014, and CDC funded it, and it's pretty much our goal is to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease in the women for the women that's in the Alabama Breast and Cervical Program. So pretty much we're here to educate and support those women to live healthier lifestyles to prevent, a heart attack or stroke from occurring.
And a lot of this is preventable. And you in the program, you also partner with a nutritionist and other gyms and things in the area, and try to coordinate people having healthy lifestyle with
Yes.
exercise and diet and making healthier choices to maybe lessen those risks in their life. So
Right.
you have another tool in your toolkit right there in your hands. Why don't you show everybody what you've got?
Yes, these recipe cards.
Yeah, those are fantastic looking recipe cards. There's 4 different recipe cards with healthy recipes. You've worked in coordination with Clarice Perkins, our nutritionist here, who's in charge of the WIC program. And on the back of those cards, they have the thresholds for blood pressure and indicators and what's normal, what's high, what's extreme, and then also how to contact you. So what do you intend to do with those cards?
So within the Wisewoman program, we have support meetings, or I'd say monthly activities. There's very active, so that we pretty much talk with the ladies to try to get them to, lower their blood pressure, control their blood pressure and cholesterol. And one of the ways that we do that is by doing cooking demonstrations or exercising, etc. So when we do the cooking demonstrations or talk to the ladies about eating healthier, we want to give them something that they can take away with them to help better control their blood pressure and cholesterol. And so we came up with these recipe cards, and it's some nice recipes on here. They're easy to follow, something they can cook with their kids and stuff or grandkids. And they're cost-effective recipes. They're low in sodium and everything. They're amazing, colorful, amazing graphic designer James created them. Yeah. And I hope that the ladies really will enjoy them.
Yeah, that was a fun project. I didn't want to mention myself, but I appreciate you doing that. Yeah, I was speaking to Clarice about a picture I saw of some cookies, and I said a picture's worth 1,000 calories, right? But yeah, a picture's worth 1,000 words, and it's a great visual that like you mentioned, having something physically in your hand that you can look at in your kitchen and reference and know that you can do these things. These recipes are not difficult. I made all 4 of those, and they, just to see. I mean, I don't want to just walk the walk. We got to talk the talk around here, and
right.
They were delicious. So I know those are great recipes, and I know you've been very successful with this program. So let me let you tell everyone how to get in contact with you and to find out more information about the Wisewoman program, to enroll, or if they have questions.
Yes. So if you're interested in being a part of this program, like I said, you have to be part of the breast and cervical program. That's a program where they're trying to prevent breast cancer and cervical cancer. So pretty much you have to be 40 to 64 years of age, no health insurance or underinsured, and due for a PAP or breast exam. If that's you, just contact our central appointments line. That's 690-8889 and schedule an appointment at the downtown location. When you come in and get that PAP or breast exam, then you will meet me and I will talk with you more about the Wisewoman program.
Well, it's not often I get to talk to a legend. Yeah, so you're the wise woman legend in the state of Alabama. And Shakari, I
I
appreciate
try to be.
your time. Well, thank you. You've done great, wonderful things with this program, and you've helped many, many women in the program. And well, we appreciate you. We appreciate your diligence with the program and trying to turn the tide there of health. And anybody that has any questions about this program, or how do you get involved, please do contact Shakari at the number that she had mentioned for to make an appointment. You have to start by making an appointment. It's 251-690-8889, and you'll take it from there.
There you go.
Well, thanks again for your time and being a legend. As I don't use that word often, but you're a legend around here, and we
Thanks,
appreciate
James.
what you're doing with the program. But thanks again for being on Wellness Wednesday.
Thank you.